Making for reflecting, the Maker methodology for grounding a positive mindset against technology. Education is changing. A new stage in the history of education is fostering the development of complex skills such as the 21st century and digital skills, the development of technology-related skills, and all of this is being done through digitalization initiatives. One of these initiatives could be the Maker methodology. The Maker movement refers to the fact of creating artifacts for enjoying. In education, it is used because it allows to integrate prior with new knowledge. Technology-related skills are involved, such as electronics or programming, and it has been seen to increase interest, motivation, and abilities regarding technology among students. The research question that we posed for this study is, do maker activities affect the students' views against technology? If so, a nourished mindset could be ready for deeper discussion about technology and AI, improving the attitude of students. We developed this study in the context of the project Makers a las Aules, which means makers in the classroom, which involved 10 high-complexity schools participating. It consisted of the teacher capacitation, having a 10-hour program distributed in 4 hours for co-designing and 6 hours in-class support. The measurement tools used to test these activities among students were a pre- and a post-questionnaire involving statements referring to the self-concept and interest about technology. They had to be answered following a Likert scale of agreement between 0 and 4. We had a sample of 239 students who consented to participate in the study between 9 and 13 years old. It was a gender-balanced sample with 50% of girls and 46% of boys. For comparing the statements in the pre- and post-questionnaires, we used a dependent t-test. After applying the t-test, we see that there are 5 statements that are significantly different when comparing them between before and after the Makers a las Aules project. The first one is that the students think that they are better at technology after the project, and the last 4 statements refer to their interest regarding technology. In conclusion, we can see that the Maker methodology makes technology relevant, facilitating experiences for using intelligent technologies. It improves students' perception of being able to use these technologies and increases the interest in technology. We think that this is a good methodology for preparing students' mindset for future reflections on technology. To find more info, you can visit these websites. Thank you.